guess I'll introduce the teams on the field. Fill this dead space. In red, we have East Team Alpha C and Lorenz Soap Factory. Lorenz's Soap Factory. I'm just, the Z sound and then the S sound right at Lorenz's. Lorenz's. Oh, okay.
It's Lorenz's Soap Factory.
Man, you guys, so I didn't even try, you know what? I didn't even try to pronounce the team from Milford's name. It looks like Myrmecophilus. How would you say that?
Myrmecophilus.
Myrmecophilus, yeah. You guys are throwing me for a loop with these team names. We're getting my tongue tied here soon.